So today I'm going to make a recipe that's kind of like a copycat crumble cookie. About a year ago we discovered crumble cookie came to our area and really like it. It's a little bit pricey and I just decided to come up with a recipe that I could make at home, and we make this about once a week as a treat. I'm able to make 2 large cookies, one for each of us to have. And my husband, Mr. Fix-It, came up with this countertop we had, laying around. We had redone our kitchen and we had an extra piece of countertop. And we're trying to figure out a way, because we don't have an island. Our kitchen's kind of small, so he used this countertop for me to make cooking videos. So we're going to try this out, see how it works. Okay, so in the bowl I have 2 tablespoons of softened butter, and I'm going to add to that 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, we're going to mix this together. Okay, so I've creamed the butter and brown sugar and white sugar and vanilla extract. And now I'm going to add in the flour. So the flour is going to be 1 tablespoon plus 1/3 cup. And then I'm going to add the baking soda and the salt. So this is only 1/8 teaspoon of each baking soda and salt. And you want to add that in with the flour. And I know this recipe by heart because I make it all the time. So. Okay, and now we have the almond milk. And that's just about 1.5 tablespoons. You just want to add enough so that it makes it easier to mix, because we're not using egg in this. So you might want to start with just 1 tablespoon and then you can go from there. Usually I do about 1.5 tablespoons. Mix that up. So I've mixed in the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. And now I'm going to add the best part, the chocolate chips. And that's 1/4 cup. And I have the oven preheating to 350. I'm going to add the chocolate chip. Okay, so I have the chocolate chips mixed in, and all I'm going to do is just separate this into 2. And you want the dough to be a little more firm than too sticky, because it makes it easier to separate into 2. So I have my baking sheet and the 2 balls of dough. I'm just those on the baking sheet. And we're just gonna cook these in the oven for 18 minutes at 350. Okay, so here's our cookies. So I cooked those for 18 minutes and just let them cool for 5 minutes and then they're ready to eat. So hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye. No, it's not.
What the fuck is wrong with it? Is it low on charge or something?
No.
No, it's still recording, right?
Oh, it is.
Yeah, all right.
I couldn't
Well,
see
all right.
it. It's way over
I'll
there.
fix all of that. Good.